Welcome back to Project Wellington. Today we're going to be servicing a Mini Cooper 57 plate. So first things first, let's lift up the bonnet. The latch is in the middle on these ones. Somewhere, he said. So first thing we want to do is change the oil. So we're going to put some engine flush or oil flush into the engine just to make it come out a lot easier. Okay, so I've poured that in, so now we just got to start the car and let it run for 15 minutes. Car engine on, going to leave that for 15 minutes. I've let that run for 15 minutes, so now we need to go underneath the car and use our Allen key, size 8 Allen key, to get that sump plug off. So I'm going to use this and I'll start to loosen it. It started to come out straight away, so gonna keep on unscrewing it until it all, there's the socket, and just let that drain out for a while. So now we've got to undo this plug here, that's for the oil filter, so that's next. You need a 27mm socket to go over that, and then use your socket to open it. Shouldn't be that tight, which this one isn't, which is good. Okay, so we can tidy up the area there. Our new filter, so that just plugs into there, or the other side. That's it. Then your rubber ring goes over the top of that and into that groove down the side there. You then place it back into its position, rub a bit of oil around the seal just so it gives it that bit of better quality seal on it, and then tighten out, but just don't tighten it overly tight, just enough so it, as soon as you feel it tighten up, just stop. There you go, so that's done. Tidy up that area with the cloth. Okay, so now if we have a look underneath, it's finishing from dropping down now, so what we can do is put the plug back in and reseal it.